Holding all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on to...
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is a full, much needed Sunday reset, and I took you guys through the whole process with me and also showed you how I planned out my week. But before we get into that, I did make a free download for you guys with this video. It is just a Sunday reset routine checklist. You have your home reset, work reset, beauty and mental reset. You can get this using the link in the description, and I hope you enjoy it.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now.
I hope I'm not the only person who cuts straight on the counter and doesn't pull out a cutting board
You just
because
give me
you're just too lazy. But that's what it is. I always like to start off my Sunday reset by just picking up around my home. I like to get rid of all of the clothes laying around, any clutter, make the bed, wipe down the countertops, do the dishes, just catching up on all of the basic chores that maybe I didn't have time for or got too lazy for during the week, because that definitely happens. I'm not a naturally clean person. I hope I'm not the only person who cuts straight on the counter and doesn't pull out a cutting board. We talked about this before, so I always have to make sure I'm cleaning up. Honestly, not that bad. How I do my laundry is I get all of the loose clothes from everywhere, I put it in one big pile, and then I just fold it all and then put it away. I don't put it away as I fold. This is just how I do it. I find it to be a little bit more efficient. Let me know how you guys do your laundry.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up.
Can you explain?
That one fell off.
But look at my side compared to yours. How does that happen?
Every 2 to 3 months, I have to disassemble the same because your hair.
No.
I also randomly decided to do this new skincare organization setup. I had this little white bin laying around and it wasn't going to use, so I decided to organize my skincare I'm using right now, and I absolutely love how it turned out.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love
favorite part of cleaning is definitely that final wipe down of all the counters, and then you finally get to light all the candles and set the vibe. I'm also obsessed with making mocktails. I've shared some of the different ones I've tried on Instagram, but I'm always trying new ones. And lately I've been liking kombucha with a little seltzer water on top. Would you like a mocktail?
Sure.
It's just such a nice little treat.
Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long on unresolved questions holds you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown.
Now it is time to plan the week. I have been loving the weekly dashboard. I just really love this layout. I start off by putting in what would make this week great, and then filling out my top priorities to get closer to my goals. These are the 3 main things that I want to do this week. And then I like to plan out my workout schedule just so I have a basic overview of the workouts I'm going to be doing. And also my habits. I love this little habit tracker. I love checking it off every day. I don't hit all of the habits every day, but I like to just keep track of what I'm doing. And I put in what I am currently reading. I'm currently reading Atomic Habits, and There She Was, and I'm currently listening to The Untethered Soul. Then I look at last week's to-do list and I add in anything that didn't get done and move it over to this week. And then I go ahead and I write the rest of this week's to-do list. I always like to add in these cute little Pinterest quotes. It's just fun. It's not for any sort of purpose other than I like doing it. So this is my little weekly overview. I just love having this snapshot of what my week is going to look like, what my priorities are, what my habits and workouts are looking like, what my priorities are, and it's just perfect for me, and I absolutely love doing this every week. Some Sundays I definitely spend the whole day unwinding and I don't do any cleaning whatsoever, but this evening I decided to get in bed super early and make myself some cookies and just relax and read in bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it maybe inspired you to do the same. Remember to grab your freebie and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!